Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. Today's going to be a quick short video. It's just going to be a quick introduction to WLED. It's a series that I'm about to start. It kind of goes along with the series I talked about a month or two back about getting used to circuits and stuff. This will kind of go along with that, at least the first parts of it, but then we'll get into bigger projects of WLED. WLED is actually one of the things that really made me want to get into the kind of the circuitry thing of side of things. So this is a pretty good place to start. So what is WLED? WLED can be run off of many different controllers. There's a bunch of purpose-built ones, and then you have controllers like these ESPs boards. You got your ESP8266, your 32s. They will all run WLED. Even this Wi-Fi badge, IoT Wi-Fi hacking badge that I have will run WLED, and that's what I'm using as the example today just because it's what I still had wired up. So what it is you upload WLED to one of the ESP32 boards. At least the way we'll be using it, it'll be a 32 board or an ESP8266. And from there, you wire it to a string of LEDs, an LED ring like I have here, panels, all sorts of things. But just to kind of show what we can do. Alright, let's take a quick look at what you can do on the app. The WLED app is what you would install to control your board. As you can see, when you first open it, this is the home screen, and you can have multiple LED strips or rings or panels, whatever, located here. You can sync them together, you can power them on and off from here, and you can change all your settings. Your brightness is one of the things you can change directly from here, but you can click on it, and then we can go in and change, select the color. Let's go back to effects, and we'll just go back to solid for now. So you can come in here, you can change colors. There's a bunch of different options for colors. A lot of these don't specifically change anything until you got something going. But you can change the color. You can go to red, green, blue, orange. And then we have all of the different built-in effects. So you have the BPM, kind of let it breathe. And from here, this is where you can go and select different palettes to show different colors. I like a lot of the blue and green pink. But anyway, once you get one of those, you can keep going through all the different effects. So here's candy cane. So pretty obvious. You have chase, multiple chases, chase rainbow. They have one that's called Fire 2012, and it doesn't have the correct color for it. Just go to default, there we go. So when you have a longer strip, because you set the number of LEDs that are on your strip, it'll kind of show more. And there was a guy that had these set up in his windows, and I'll actually link to his channel because he has a bunch of good stuff on this WLED stuff and all sorts of good tech stuff. I can't remember his name off the top of my head. There's a bunch of good stuff. But he had these set up in his house and actually had somebody call the fire department. And they came in, got into his house, and found out it was just a bunch of LEDs running in his room. But WLED has so many different things you can do. You can set your segments, you can make specific playlists and stuff. And one of the big things that I want to work on this with is with a microphone, you can make it sound reactive. I'll actually put a short clip right here of this ring with one of the sound reactive things. And that'll be in an upcoming video. The next video will probably be just getting basics of WLED started. So, you know, getting your standard WLED image flashed to one of these ESP boards, and then just get it up and running for the first time. And then I'll probably go into sound reactivity, and then I'll probably start going into creating a custom PCB for sound reactivity and for some of the projects I have that I want to do. But this particular is a digital microphone used for sound reactivity. You can use analog microphones, but the digital work a lot better. That's a pretty quick rundown of what WLED is. From here, we'll see a bunch more. I'll continue to build on this. I don't know how often these will come out because I'm still got my HackerBox videos. I've got war driving videos. I've still got to finish my war drive, my wiggle bottle for war driving. I've got a couple of product reviews I'm going to do, and then also this. So I've got a whole lot in the works. If you like my content, please subscribe, watch the video fully. Time watched is the big thing I need for my channel right now. I'd like to say thank you for all those who have subscribed, and if you like my videos, go ahead and give them a like. That helps as well. I look forward to what we have upcoming. I look forward to talking to more of y'all and chatting in the different discords and things. Come see me on all my socials. Link in the bio. I have a link to my website, which will link you to all my socials. It'll also link you to my store where I have the Script Kitty stickers and t-shirts that you can order. There's been I've gone through quite a few of them. A lot of people really like them. I like them. They turned out really well. I have one of the t-shirts and plan to get one of each. I've also got war drivers cases, and soon, depending on when you watch this video, they may already be up. I will have war driver kits available, including a case, and I will also sell completed war drivers. So once again, if you like my content, please subscribe, like my videos, and we'll see you next time.